Welcome to the Raw Loaf. The Raw Loaf is not covering Money in the Bank tonight because, well, I won't have time to get it edited and shot all before Raw starts, so it'll be kind of pointless. But because I'm pretty sure Jack Swagger won the Money in the Bank, I bought $8 in fireworks and made a W for WWE, and we're gonna blow it up right here on the Raw Loaf. But remember, safety first. Here we go. Okay. Watch out.
Oh, God.
Well, only about maybe $4 of the fireworks got blown up, so congratulations, Jack Swagger.